Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kadekar. Episode number 29. Today's rubric is brooding. What is meant by brooding? Brooding is to think deeply, anxiously, thoughtful, with emotional distress. Deep thought about something that makes you sad, worried, or preoccupied with depressed, morbid, or painful memories or thoughts. Thinking deeply and seriously about something, especially something that is making them unhappy. This is brooding meaning. Then, what is the Hindi meaning of brooding? That is विचार मग्न बेवजह गहन चिंतन करना. दिस इज हिंदी मीनिंग. देन मराठी मीनिंग खोल विचार करत बसणे, कारणास्तव विचारमग्न, भावनिक यातनेबरोबरच अस्वस्थपणे विचारमग्न असणारा, अस्वस्थपणे खोल विचार करणारा. दिस इज ब्रूडिंग, मराठी मीनिंग. Then what are the remedies for brooding? First is Ignitia, Zelsimium, Ipecac, Naja, Nux moschata, phosphoric acid, Veratrum album, Agaricus, Aurum, Belladonna, Calcarea, Carcinosin, Causticum, Chamomilla, Cyclamen, Helleborus, Caliphos, Lachesis, Lilium tea, Lycopodium, nitric acid, Nux vomica, Oleander, Opium, Platinum, Plumbum, Rustox, Sabal, Sepia, Spigelia, Spongia, Stramonium, and Sulfur. So these are the number of remedies for brooding. Now we will see some of the differentiating point of the brooding remedies. Brooding alternating with screaming, that is Veratrum album. Brooding conditions over once, the remedies are Natrum silicata, phosphoric acid, Sabal, Spongia, Symphytum, and Vanilla. Then brooding constantly over loss of child, the remedies are Gelsemium and Kali Brown. Then brooding corners, brooding or mopping inner, that is the remedies are Aurum sulph, Bryatakar, Belladonna, Camphor, Cocculus, Conium, Cuprum, Hyoscyamus, phosphoric acid, Spongia, and Veratrum. Then brooding disappointed over, the remedies are Belladonna, phosphoric acid. Then brooding disappointed over cardiac weakness with, that is the phosphoric acid. Then brooding disappointed over love disappointed, that is the phosphoric acid. Then brooding disease over is imaginary diseases over, the remedies are Cyclamen, Lilium tea, Naja, phosphoric acid. Brooding forbidden things over, the remedy is Plumbum. Then brooding grief over, the remedies are Cyclamen, Ignitia, Natrum silicata. Then brooding grief over imaginary grief, that is the remedies are Cyclamen and Ignitia. Then brooding hidden cares tormented by, the remedies is Agrimonium. Then brooding imaginary troubles over Cyclamen, Ignitia, Lilium tea, and Naja. Then brooding silencing, the remedies are Belladonna, Veratrum album. Then brooding suicidal disposition with, that is the remedies are the Naja and Spongia. Then brooding symptoms over his own. Sabal. Brooding thoughtless. The remedies are ranunculus, yes. Then brooding trifid. The remedies are arsenic, chamomilla, senna, coffee, drosera, hippar, ignitia, nitric acid, nux vomica, phosphorus, sepia, silicia and thuja. So these are the some differentiating remedies for brooding. Now we will see the cross references for brooding. First cross reference is absorbed. Now what is meant by absorbed? Absorbed means intensely engaged or engrossed in thoughts. The mind is directed towards one problem, fixed in one thought, very interested in something, not paying attention to anything else, having one's attention fully engaged or greatly interested. This is absorbed. Then next cross reference, anxiety. Anxiety is discomfort about something doubtful, or it is a state of feeling worried or fear about something. Anxiety has no definite cause. It expresses more than uneasiness or disturbance and even more than trouble. It is an uncomfortable feeling or nervousness or worry about something that is happening or might happen in the future, especially something bad. Anxiety is a normal emotion that causes increased alertness, fear, and physical signs such as rapid heart rate. This is anxiety. Then next cross reference, cares full of. Cares means it is to be worried about or interested in somebody, something. It is a person who has full of anxieties and worries. Care, concern, anxiety, serious attention. So these are the different meanings for cares. Then next cross reference, despair. Despair means to lose all hope, the feeling that everything is wrong and nothing will turn out well. This is despair. Then delusion, images, phantoms, sees, dwells upon. Now what is meant by delusion? Delusions is the imagination, a misleading opinion, idea or false belief. It is an erroneous belief that is held in the face of evidence to the contrary. This is delusion. Then disappointed. What is meant by disappointed? Disappointed means it is a sadness by the failure of an expectation, or upset because of something you hoped for has not happened, or it is unhappy because someone or something was not as good as you hoped or expected, or because something did not happen. This is disappointed. Then next cross reference, dwells on past disagreeable occurrence on. Now what is meant dwells? Dwells means constantly occupied with thoughts disagreeable occurrence. Then next cross reference, grief silent. Grief means it is deep sorrow for something loss or failure, continued emotional disturbance with resentment. Grief is a feeling of extreme sadness, something that causes great unhappiness. The normal procedure of reacting to loss. The loss may be physical, such as death, social, such as divorce, or occupational, such as job. Emotional reaction of grief can be included as anger, guilt, anxiety, sadness, and despair. Physical reaction of grief can include sleeping problems, changes in appetite, physical problems, or illness. So this is grief. Then next cross reference, inconsolable. Inconsolable means it is a feeling of something to such an extent that no amount of consolation brings him any comfort, or it is incapable of being consoled or confronted, or it is a sad beyond confronting, incapable of being consoled. The next cross reference is indignation. Indignation means feeling of anger and scorn, feeling caused by what is considered as unworthy of one's dignity, anger excited by a sense of wrong or by injustice, wickedness, or misconduct. Imagination, on the other hand, describes as a particular mood or attitude rather than a predisposition. Then next cross reference, introspection. Introspection means careful examination of one's own thoughts and feeling. Examining and considering your own ideas, thoughts and feeling instead of talking to others about them. This is introspection. Then love, disappointed elements from humanity. What is love? Love is a great affection, strong liking, or love is an emotion to express one's feeling of deep affection, or it is a strong positive emotion of a regard and affection for parents, child, friends, or any persons of opposite sex. They love all people, all the races of world. The next cross reference, meditation, the practice of thinking deeply in a silence, especially for religious reason or in order to make your mind calm, or it is observed in his own thoughts, a spiritual exercise consisting in a deep continued reflection on a religious theme, or it is a process of quietening the mind in order to spend time in a thoughts for relaxation or religious or spiritual purpose. This is meditation. Then pessimist means it is a tendency to believe that the worst thing is most like to happen, tendency to take the least hopeful view of situation, or one who believes that everything is tending to the worst, one who look too much on the dark side of things. This is pessimist. Then next cross reference, sadness, weep cannot. Sadness means unhappiness, sorrow, gloomy emotion experienced when not in a state of well-being, or it is sadness is an emotional pain associated with or characterized by feeling of disadvantage, loss, despair, grief, helplessness, disappointment and sorrow. This is sadness. Then next cross reference, sagging. Sagging means it is a sad sound made by breathing out to express grief or pain, especially during the heat, menses, perspiration, or to take a deep audible breath. This is an effort of nature to dilate the lungs and give a vigor to the circulation of blood when the action of heart and arteries is languid from grief, depression of spirit, weakness or want of exercise. This is sagging. The next cross reference is seat inclination to corner in. The next cross reference, seats wrapped up in a deep sad thoughts. The next cross reference, sulky. Sulky means it is a gloomy, sullen, moody, who becomes silent and refuse to smile so that others know that they are angry about something, or refusing to be cooperative or cheerful, expressing or suggesting gloom or bad temper. This is sulky. Then weeping cannot weep though sad. Weeping means to express grief or anguish by tears, shedding tears to express grief, sorrow or any overpowering emotion. This is all the cross references for brooding. Then next is the miasm for brooding. Miasm is psychosis. The next cross reference, then next is the disease condition or psychiatric condition for brooding. First is depression and second is schizophrenia. So this is all about the brooding. Thank you.